Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a brief overview of some of the functionalities available inside Cloudflare for Tangram customers. The first thing you're going to do when you go to cloudflare.com is connect your domain to Cloudflare as the DNS provider. Cloudflare has really good DNS management tools, so I would recommend managing all of your DNS through here as they walk you through in the Cloudflare onboarding tutorial. Right now, I'm on one of my side project domains, foxcreo.com, and I have a test Tangram platform open here with a subdomain on that domain. I've added the domain in Tangram. It's showing up here as awaiting connection. You could ignore that message if you're using Cloudflare. That's more if you're not. Once the domain's fully connected to Cloudflare, what I would recommend is just going through each of these tabs and looking for settings relevant to what you want to do. A common example of that is many people who integrate Cloudflare want speed improvement on their Tangram app. Cloudflare has a fairly large suite of both diagnostic speed tools and settings you can change to make your app faster. So I would recommend just going through each of the settings here and enabling any of them that are available on the plan that you're on. Some of them are available for free, but what I would recommend for most people is to use the $20 a month plan because you'll get a lot more value per dollar. It opens up things like these image settings, more speed settings in this menu, and it lets you do things with security and edge workers if you want to do that. I'll go through and enable all these settings. And once you do this, depending on what you're using on your Tangram platform, you may notice a significant speed increase for very little effort. So that's why we recommend pretty much everyone should go through and do this. And then finally, Cloudflare has insights on analytics and measuring your bandwidth and the number of visitors you're getting to each page in your site and things like that. So I'd recommend taking a look at that and just going through and enabling anything you want relevant to that. You can also do performance monitoring here, and there are other settings in this menu available if you are on their pro plan. So that's a brief overview of Cloudflare. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day.